wake me up to another good morning, time to go.
Good evening and happy Saturday, everybody. Everybody in the car is just taking the mick out the way I say everything. Hope you're all well. It's been a little while since we've done a sort of vlog, I guess, since we vlogged in November for Florida, but we're back. We're on a little day trip. Chris, Liam, Erin, and hey!
What about Michael?
Who's Michael?
That dude.
Liam's got a poofy bit of hair that he's decided to call Michael, which is a bit weird, isn't it? But anyway. Yeah, so we're off to London for the day. So we thought we would take you along with us. So it's just gone 8. We are off to Bristol Parkway. We're going to get the train up to Paddington. Oh, God. And plan is then to head over to the Natural History Museum. We've then got Rainforest Cafe for lunch. And I think then we will probably just do a little bit of sightseeing and stuff. So yeah, we'll see you there. So we're in London, aren't we, Liam? Liam is just there.
I'm making.
Yeah, so Liam's already made a purchase. We went to the Paddington shop, as you will have seen. And what did you get at Paddington with his wellies?
And then this is his hand.
And he's got a little bag. So yeah, so train was really easy, hour and 20 minutes from Bristol Parkway, which was great. Train ticket, yeah, for the 4 of us was just over £200. So it's not the cheapest way to get to London, but for us it's very convenient. So we are just about to hot step. It is now 10:30. We've got half an hour to get over to the Natural History Museum. So we're gonna hop on the tube. Hey, it's Erin! Yeah, to get over there, so come with us. Not even a 5-minute walk, I don't think, from the tube, from Gloucester Road. So I'll pan it around and show you the beautiful building that is the Natural History Museum. Here it is. And gates. And that's a little Liam, who's very excited. So we've arrived in the Natural History Museum, all very easy to get into. Had our tickets on our phone and stuff. So this is the main entrance hall. We'll turn it around. There's a Chris and a Liam. We've just been to get our map. Hold on. Got our visitor map. That's £1, and then Liam's got a book as well, so we'll show you that. And then, yeah, this is the sort of main, the architecture is beautiful. We've got dinosaurs down there, and we've got fossils and stuff, and then up here is the huge blue whale skeleton. So very impressed already. Just waiting to go into the dinosaur exhibition, and Liam's going to give us a rundown. Look into the camera. You don't look there, look into the camera. What's your favourite dinosaurs, Liam?
A triceratops, a raptor, and what else, guys?
Mine is a stegosaurus. Do you not have a favourite dinosaur, Erin? No, Chris? Any preference on dinosaurs? Don't think there'll be a dippy somehow. in the dino section, and we're now going to head into the dino store just to have a little look. Basically, it's everything a 6 or 7-year-old boy could ever want in a dinosaur shop. In the dinosaurs nearly, and we've made our way to start looking at the animals, but Liam's found the frilled lizard, which is semi back in dinosaurs.
Is that a real thing?
Yeah.
Right now?
I think Liam still thinks it's a dino. But yeah, so basically all the stuff is in the cake, all the sort of specimens, not Chris and not Erin. And then it tells you all about them. Wow, that's an island giant. That's a Komodo dragon.
Yeah, that's how big they are.
So, just stopped at the cafe, haven't we? And what have we got? We've got 3 Diet Cokes, 2 bags of crisps, and 2 little sort of brownies. And how much was it?
And a heart attack.
How much was it?
£17.
Wow. But I guess the museum is free. So let's take the positives from that. But yeah, this is
But
what we've got.
£2.35 for a can of Coke.
Yeah. Bring your own snacks.
Charge and then do the food tuber.
Yeah. But yeah, that's what we've got. So yeah, we're taking a little side step in the cafe, which is in the centre. Very pretty. And Liam's looking at his book.
And they find my favourite page. It's these animals.
So we're going to head now into treasures at the top of Erin's head. Had our little snack break. Thank you. So here we go.
Very well needed.
It was a much needed break. So this is like a little sort of exhibition area. Take the museum out of it, the architecture here is beautiful. I mean, I know nothing about architecture, but gorgeous. This is all the crystals. This is Erin's inspiration wall. If anyone knows Erin, she loves a crystal.
And me.
What do you think, Erin? Which one do you think? I'm thinking this jazzy number here.
I feel like Grandma could just get these for me.
Yeah, that's a very cool one. And I do quite like that one, the pinky one.
Let me send it to Grandma because she'll know what it is and she may get it for me.
I don't think Grandma's going to buy these two, darling. That is amazing. Just spotted this one. Furry. Everyone, when have you ever seen a furry crystal? So here we are again in a gift shop. Let's see, yeah. We're not sure. This apparently is, what, it's 50 quid. But it's a T-Rex. Comment down below. Do you think that looks like a T-Rex? We don't. Sells at the dinosaurs again. These are quite cute and they're only £4, which I don't think is too bad actually for a mini plushie.
Liam.
And then you've got a whole range of plushies. And then with the actual nice bits at the end.
Not to grow too many of these foods because that destroys rainforests too.
Rainforest Cafe is quite busy, so I won't talk too loudly. Starters have arrived, well, our starters anyway, and then Liam's main course has arrived. We paid an extra £2, so I think it's like £17.90 for him to have a drink, his main course, and a dessert, and then he gets a goodie bag as well, so let me show you. So that's Liam's chicken nuggets and chips. Hey, Liam. And then we've gone for an awesome appetizer, I think. So you've got guacamole, nachos, chicken dips, some cheesiness and that. And then in his little pack, his Rainforest Cafe pack, he's got a mask, he's got snap, he's got some stickers, a pencil over there, Erin's got the snap game that they got. Yeah, so we're going to tuck into this and then I'll show you. So there's Erin munching. So we've got an aquarium and then you've got all the usual animals. Got a up there. We've got an ape over there. Parrot there. And then you've got a cockatiel and a frog behind there. Very cool as always. Main courses have arrived, so Erin and I have both got cob salads, which is very nice. Chris has got what looks very nice, steak sandwich, chippies. Liam's still chowing down, aren't you, mate? What's your favourite, the chicken nuggets or the chips? Chippies! Both. So we finished in Rainforest Cafe and just walking down to Buckingham Palace, and oops-a-daisy, we fell into Fortnum Mason. So Erin and I, Erin's never been in Fortnum Mason before, but we're just looking at all the Easter chocolates, so we'll show you some of them. So we've got the chocolate bunnies.
Liam, do not touch any.
We've got happy bunnies.
Happy bunnies.
Yeah.
Mummy.
We've got little jelly carrots.
Mummy, can I ask
And then we've got,
Look there.
wow.
Can we touch this?
But try not to, that's a lucky penny.
A lucky penny, can I get it?
And they've got chocolate toad.
Can we get a,
Yes.
can we get a lucky...
£2 each, but aren't they pretty?
No, they're not. Look at the polar bear. That's...
Yeah. Biscuit tins. So it tells you what biscuits. We've got all the tea over there, and then we're just going down this very beautiful staircase down to savouries and wine. What a happy place to be. So we've got honey bears, honey, lemon curd, cherries. So from Fortnum Mason to Buckingham Palace. That's like a 15-20 minute walk in end. So yeah, the Queen is in residency. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. There's the flag flying up high. So yeah, it's quite a quiet day, I think, for Buckingham Palace, to be fair. And then there's the fountain behind. And yeah, and we just walked through this park here to get here. So I think we'll do some pics at the palace. We do hope the Queen feels better. So in the Lego store in Covent Garden, which is very exciting, and let me show you some of the new Disney bits that they've got. So they've got Bears and a Woody and a Bo Peep, and then they've got the castle. A very cool Diagon Alley. We've got a Hermione, Harry, Ron and Hagrid. I think that's alright for £22. The castle, Glowine has that. Some cool key rings. Erin likes the Friends key rings. We've got Phoebe and Monica. Liam is over at the demo table. Ah, cool, with the stunt Lego.
Do you have different characters?
Come on then, show me.
So remember, we're going to push it forward. So push it forward first, and then let it go. Ooh, nearly. Ooh, that sounds good. Ooh, so close.
So we've got a telephone box. And then look, there's Big Ben. Out the left, and there's the top of Big Ben. The dragon, top hat. And this is the rest of the very busy Lego store. Come down the stairs. Got a really cool. I don't know if you can see, it's 3D. The river, London Eye. The M&M store. Who's your favourite, Erin? Come down the floor and this is where you get all the different M&Ms. You've got all the milk chocolate ones. Then you get crispy, brownie, salted caramel, peanuts, all the way round. So let's go and investigate. Clearly this is not London anymore, is it? We're home. Yes. So we last saw you in the M&M store, wasn't it? So it was just gone 7 o'clock, I think, by then. We were umming and ahhing about whether to go over to Westminster to see Big Ben. Our train was at 10:02. We hadn't really had any tea. So we scrapped Westminster. We went straight back over to Paddington, which was so easy on the tube. Kind of forgot how easy the tube is. So straight back over to Paddington. Went to grab a sandwich to do like a little picnic on the train, but Sainsbury's and Marks and Spencer's had no sandwiches, so we ended up with a dirty Burger King. Sat on the train having that, got home then about 9:30. So yeah, there was no finishing the vlog yesterday. So today is Friday. But yeah, had the best time. Kids loved it. They're desperate to go back. Would love to try and go back next time and maybe stay overnight because it is a long day. You know, we were out for sort of 14 hours. So but a great day. But what I thought I would do and finish this vlog is just quickly show you, we only bought a few bits and bobs in terms of souvenirs and stuff, but I thought I'd very quickly show you what we got. So first things first was Liam's Paddington. He picked this up in the Paddington shop at Paddington Station. It's a lot of Paddingtons, isn't it, in one sentence. Erin's got a Paddington because we took her to London. Gosh, she must have been sort of 5 or 6. So Liam wanted one. Now this one, I think was, well, no, that's the wrong receipt. I think this was £21. I'll double check it. Maybe it wasn't as much. I'll insert it down below how much this one was, but I really liked his wellies and so did Liam. So he's got a Paddington, and please look after this bear. Thank you. And Liam also has a pop-up Paddington book, which is really lovely. So it was nice for us to be able to see a few bits out of the Paddington pop-up book in real life, I guess. Yeah, so that was his first purchase of the day. We then, as you will have seen, went over to the Natural History Museum. So they both got something in there. So Erin got some crystals, and I'll pop a picture of the crystals up there because they're already in her room. I don't know about anybody else that's got teenage daughters or sons, but mine is obsessed with crystals. So she bought, and I've got the receipt down here. So she had the agate geode, which is the big one, and was £8. Then she had her fool's gold, which was £2.50, and then the little tumblestone that she thought looked like a dinosaur tooth was £1.50. Liam then, because again, Liam loves the stuffy, he bought a Smilodon, which is very cute, I think. It's lovely and soft. That was £15. So actually, in terms of a cuddly at a sort of attraction, I don't think £15 is too bad. It has got the Natural History Museum, hang on, let me get his tail out of the way, actual sort of label, if you can see that, if it focuses. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But yes, I thought he was quite cute for £15, so he was nice. That was another cuddly for Liam. Liam then also got the, oh no, it's just fallen out, the pack at Rainforest Cafe that was included as part of that, and that had in it, as I showed you, sort of stickers, an activity book. Oh, hang on. There's the stickers, the activity book. What else did he have in it? Pencil, ruler, and snap card games. Actually, for an extra £2.50, which I think it was, again, I'll insert the prices of the kids' meals there. I didn't think that was too bad. So that was his. Then we went to, obviously, the M&M store, which is our last sort of stop of the trip, and bought, kids both then did little tubs. So these tubs were £9 each. Again, I'll insert, because we took a pic of all the different sizes just down here, and all the tubs. But yeah, so here's basically, as you will have seen, there's loads of different stands that you could go to, and you just basically fill them up. Nothing to do with weight. You just fill them up as much as you can. So Erin's got a lot of the sort of peanut bigger ones, because she likes the peanut M&Ms, and then Liam's very much just all about the chocolate. He just kind of went for rainbow. And then they do come, these are a little bit crushed after yesterday, but they do come in quite cute little bags, and you can ask for those for free. So if you're in London and you want a little gift, they were quite cute. And then, I don't know what that sharp intake of breath was, I had to pick up a big M&M's bag because my bag broke, and that was £1.50, sort of like a sort of shopping tote, you know. So yeah, so that was pretty much it, to be fair, in terms of merch that we bought then, so to speak. So yeah, so that's the end of our day trip to London. Thanks so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, click the notification bell, comment down below if you've been to London. If we went again, what would you recommend? Erin is 14, Liam will be 7 next month. So yeah, so any cool stuff that you've done that you'd recommend. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you at some point on a Saturday around 6 o'clock in the near future. Take care guys, see you soon, bye!